In the following video, I want to show you how to use the button instead of the switch. So you already know how to connect the button and make the timer turn on for a period of time and then turn off your load. But in this video, I want to show you how you can use a button which intermediately pushed will activate the timer for a period of time. So for example, I have a load and I'm going to show you I have the circuit already configured here with the fan. So I want to turn the fan for 10 seconds with a push of the button. So when I push the button and release the button, I want for fan to run for 10 seconds. It could be 10 minutes, could be an hour, it's up to you, but just an idea that you can turn on something with just push of the button. So I'm rerouted a couple of wires here. So as you see, when I'm gonna push the button, obviously the timer is gonna get the power and gonna activate the relay. But what relay is gonna do is gonna close those two contacts, 87 and 30, and supply voltage to our supply power to our timer continuously, even if I release the button. So it's kind of a latch. So it's latched itself, and once the time expires, then it will turn off the relay and obviously gonna lose the power to itself. Alright, so let's see how that works. So I already wired everything according to this diagram. It's a little messy, but I just want to show you a quick video. So the way I'm going to configure, first of all, I have a power supply here. You don't see it, but basically it's the power supply. I'm going to turn it on for now. So I have 12, 13 volts. So what I'm going to do first, because I want to configure it for, let's say, 5 seconds for the fan to run. So I'm going to short 2 white wires, because at the initial power, I want the power to continue to go to the fan. So instead of the switch, I have the button. So I'm gonna turn the button on, wait for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna release the wires and I'm gonna release the power. So that will save the configuration. So let's see how that works now. So now if I push the button, I have the fan running, hopefully for 5 seconds, and it turns off. Push it again. So this is basically a self-latching circuit. Again, that's what it is. Basically, we self-latching. The relay is used to short this button to supply continuous power to the timer. So the power, if you see, the power doesn't go through the relay. It goes through the timer. So it's the relay only used for the purpose of supplying constant power to the timer. We can add another relay if we want the power to the load go through the relay, and we can increase the amperage to whatever you want, but the schematics are pretty much the same. Alright, thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions.